Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 1 in Rocky Mountain Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7686.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.